Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know about social media marketing. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about content marketing in our last episode. Please, check the I button. So let's start our discussion about the social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves creating and maintaining your own social media profile, and using social media to attract new customers, engage with current customers, and boost sales. Social media marketing uses the same techniques as other types of marketing, such as email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising. Social media marketing is a great way to engage your audience and build trust. It is also a cost-effective way to reach out to millions of people at once. How does social media marketing work? When you use social media marketing, you are trying to get your message in front of people who are already interested in your company or brand. Social media for businesses. Since the business market is growing every day, this was a new communication method to reach out to customers. It became an indispensable tool for finding customers, sales, advertising, and promotion. But most, it's a tool for career opportunities. Social media's role is significant because it facilitates communication with customers. It enables the melding of social interactions on e-commerce sites. Ability to collect information helps market researchers in promoting products and services. It enables the distribution of focused, timely and exclusive sales and coupons to would-be customers. And it can assist in relationship building, through loyalty programs or affiliate programs linked to social media. It is the biggest resource for both small and big businesses that are looking to promote their brands on the internet. The important thing for businesses is to figure out what is the most popular social media site. Both for their brand and audience, they are trying to reach. All platforms are easy to use. Some of them even have options for paid advertising for businesses that want to reach a new audience. So, we know about social media marketing today. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.